this right here, the what holds the top on here, it normally has like some plastic on the front, but it's just the plastic is peeling off. Yeah. No, that would be bad right there. Oh, watch your step. Oh, this player. I ain't seen a player on there, but it shouldn't be in the way. All right, so Trey, Tyler, for example, this is typically the way you start off taking apart a baby grand piano. This top needs to come off, meaning these pins right here have to come out of here. This foot pedal has to be taken off. Those are the two things that have to be done, but they can be done together. No. You like that?
No, heck no. I can't play the piano with Jonathan Hill. Full orchestra. He just know he's down very well, so he had to show off for the camera.
You gotta test it out. You know, you gotta test TVs out. You gotta test pianos out.
I just tested it out.
I ain't hear you test it out, so I had to get it.
Me up,
you know what I'm saying? So dealing with pianos, Trey and Tyler, the safer the better. You can't never be too safe with a piano, especially one of these. One of these, I mean, you still can't be too safe with that, but this, you need to make sure this is padded, wrapped from top to bottom, left to right. So for example, this top alone, after we take this off, this is at least 3 pads. At the least. A piano itself, 2 to 3 pads over the top. We're gonna have to flip it over, which we'll show y'all how to do. And then it's gonna be another 2 to 3 pads on the bottom side. It really just all depends on how the bottom looks. Seeing that this has a record player on here, we're gonna have to I want us to get this top off of here.
Top already on here.
Yeah, I know. All right, cool. Ready? Cool. You got enough room over there?
Hold on. I'm gonna come out. You get those.
Put it on here long ways. Other fingers. We need another pad. Yeah, bring everything. Boom. Yep. Bring that. Boom. Yep. Grab this out a little bit and slide it to me. I don't want to drag it too much. Yep. Let's get right in here in the middle. But no, sir, you don't want to put none of this stuff together.
What type of deal? I say very easy to scratch. We moved to $80,000.
Appreciate you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's that behind me. What's behind me, man?
Oh, you all right today, Alex? Huh? Yeah. What's your It's not a player. It's not a player. Okay.
What, the other one?
Yeah, don't got that player on.
I want to be thorough. Just to be safe, you know.
Hey, right there.
Are y'all separating these screws or y'all just putting them all in one Ziploc?
Hey, right there. Okay. Ready?
Yep. is the point where somebody would have to be under here to fully take this leg off, meaning somebody, one or two people would have to pick this up enough, not lean it over to where all the weight is on these two legs, just enough for this foot to come off. That'll have to be slid out the way. He'll have to move. And then from there, it'll need to be rotations done. However, because this whole thing needs to get onto this piano dolly, meaning we're not just technically leaning it over onto there, causing more weight to be on these legs. We're going to have at least two people on the side. We really got to lean and pick it up onto this piano dolly. Does that make sense?
Yeah, you got to take it up off the legs. Yeah.
Set it up on the piano dolly.
Okay. Ready?
Hold on.
Okay. On your count.
Everybody good?
Remember, y'all got no drill. Y'all got no drill.
1,
2, up.
Y'all start going down. We got this side.
I'm going down. Now y'all look down.
We good.
Now we need to adjust.
Yep.
So that side.
We need to get these feet off, and then I want to we need to get it wrapped some more, especially with all this open wiring and stuff like that. Get it wrapped again. Boom, boom. Get a couple more pads on here. Get some ratchets on here and get ready to move it. Oh no, that was on the truck. Ooh. Now how are we going? Support more so on my right side, whoever's on Waddell's left side, because of how the piano is shaped. My shoulder dolly is a little bit more on the left side because of how this lip sticks out. So. Yep.
You don't have to sit down out here.
Okay.
When you get to the big step.
Yep.
Hold on, sit down now.
I'm not too much out the door yet.
Hold on. Brace my back, Alex, so I can take this step.
You want to sit it down?
Yeah, I'm down. It's down.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's down.
1, 2, 3. Push against it on your right side, my right side. One down, my left foot. Rock. Down. Voila. Muy bien. And that is pretty much it. That is how you move a baby grand piano. It's not too complicated once you have the right people, but we still have another baby grand piano to move. So we're gonna get all this knocked out, hey, and just keep on keeping on with the day. So all praise to the Most High. Stay locked in.